How to log in AFK Arena. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I'll be guiding you how to log in AFK Arena. Login in AFK Arena is quite easy, so without any delay, let's get started. Open the game, launch the AFK Arena on your device. Start the game. After the initial loading screen, you will be prompted to start the game. You can play as a guest or link an account for progressive saving. Access the setting. Tap on the profile icon in the top left corner of the main screen to access your player profile. Account setting. Tap on the setting button in the profile menu. Account linking. You can link your game to an email, Facebook, Google Play. This will allow you to save your progress and game across different devices. Login or switch account. If you have linked your account before, tap on the switch account button in the setting to log into your saved credential. And here you go, that's how you can log in. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.